You watch me get out of this? Fine, I'll have to just show you how I get out of it always. Okay? Smooth, you know? Like, I just stand up, and I just walk out.
Welcome back, everybody. We are starting out with the Tesla in the garage. This is the second video I think we've actually really ever made with the Tesla. Been a pretty good car so far. No issues, nothing. Have you had any issues that I don't know about? What you're already getting into it here. I got a fun one for you here today. We're going to talk a little bit about that. But we did want to first get the Tesla up on the lift because we've never done that before.
Okay.
So what can you work on underneath here?
It's smooth.
Absolutely nothing.
It's really
wow. Streamlined is what I call that. What type of tires are on it? So it does actually have Michelin. I wondered if Carvana, like, maybe saw if their tires weren't 100%, because I know a lot of them, like CarMax, you know, they'll just put on a cheap set of tires. They'll take off, like, decent tires and put on a cheap set so that they're brand new.
Oh.
And I wondered if they did that, but these are actually Michelins. They're all right, and they don't look that new, so.
The one thing I did read is
Hey,
what?
you need an alignment, I believe. This thing's a slick on the inside, and so is that one. They're tilted in.
No way.
Or maybe a bad ball joint up top or something.
Huh? Tell me.
Yeah,
That ball joint looks okay.
that looks okay. But yeah, you need an alignment. This one's doing the same thing back here.
So these are full liner.
Mm-hmm. This one's the best one here, but the rest are...
It could have been when I jumped it.
Did you jump it?
I did actually jump it.
Really?
Dude, there's a road like 10 miles from here, and I hit her at like 70, and literally the tires squealed as it left the pavement.
So we do not just have this up on the lift for fun. It has to do with our video today, and I think this is going to be a good time. I have always, since we kind of became a diesel-focused channel, have wanted to diesel swap a Tesla. While we are not doing that today, we're not doing that. Although someday, we might do that. But we are not doing that today. But we are going to make this Tesla roll some coal, hopefully.
Well, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be.
I know, I hear that all the time. This guy right here is our box of fun. Explosives. What I hear about Teslas in general is that they have a tendency to be a little bit explosive when the battery pack ruptures. So, in here, they are smaller than what I pictured.
Okay.
But we'll have to see what happens here. There's only like one company that I could find. If anybody has any better ideas out there of how to do this, I would gladly make a follow-up video. But I got smoke bombs. So, and these ones here, these are the smaller ones. These ones here are like the biggest that you can buy without a pyrotechnics license, which seem pretty small. We got a bunch of them. It is a little, yeah, they are smaller than what I thought. But these are supposed to give 90 minutes.
What?
90 seconds.
Whoa. Okay.
90 minutes would be good. Of smoke.
Are they all the same length? You know, I don't mind that size.
No, they're taller.
That would
A little
work.
taller. They don't last as long though. I mean, these put out more smoke. Okay, well, it's got some girth to it.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
so I don't know exactly what we're gonna do, but I did grab. Oh, by the way, remember that video like 3 videos ago where we cleaned up the entire thing? Lance did one project while I wasn't here. Yep, one project. Okay, so I got this. This is going to be our exhaust tip. We're going to put this somehow attached to the back of the Tesla. I feel like you weren't looking at my face.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay.
You got distracted, didn't you?
Go ahead.
No, you're still not doing
All
it.
right.
Should I walk back over from here?
Sure.
So we're going to use this as our exhaust tip. We're going to somehow attach this to the back of the old Tesla. And that's really, yeah, and then we're going to pull one of these cords and see what happens. That's the goal for right now. And we may do some other things as we come through here. But let's start with...
The other one fit in?
Oh, she is like made for it.
What's the open?
Well, it doesn't go.
What end did it emit from?
I think this one has got the hole there. Yeah. Unless we put it in, we could do this. And
That's
just
what I would
tie
do.
a string to it, and then that would be at the back.
Yeah.
Well, I think we got enough smoke bombs here for a couple different shots. The problem is right now we are waiting for it to stop raining because there was no rain in the schedule today. Or forecast? Not schedule. You can't schedule rain. But there's none in the forecast, and it's pouring down outside.
You see the warning on here about not putting your thumb over the end? Which was actually, that's the one I was gonna do.
Well, you should stop the smoke if you can.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That pull it and plug it.
That's what I learned from a firefighter.
Yeah.
Where there's smoke, there's fire.
Looks like this one goes for 90 seconds. How long's yours?
45. But it must put out a ton.
Okay.
Okay. Where do yours says 90 on there?
I think so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Was it like hard to buy?
Yes, actually. No, I mean, like you can just go on and buy them, but they do make you fill out like what you're using them for and on all of those things.
So what did you put down, like gender reveal?
It's funny because the smoke's black.
That's a whole different thing.
Everybody's gonna be surprised.
My wife's like, I swear, I know nothing about it.
I think this is against like Tesla's user agreement right here. Because they're not supposed to work on them or something. They're real proud of their stuff.
There she goes. Okay. So we can go something like that. Like with just zip ties around it or something like that.
Oh yeah, because we can zip tie right to
Like
one of these guys, and then there's nothing in the back, but
or something.
professional.
Okay, well that's kind of installed. Let me do a little something to pull the zip in this direction. I actually kind of wants to walk out. And then I think a piece of tape around it.
Yeah. Well, let's just pull one for right now.
You don't think it has any backward pressure?
Oh, maybe. I don't think a lot.
Yeah, just a little something just to kind of hold it. All right, are we ready to film?
I
Is
think
it going to blast immediately in my face?
Oh, I think so.
Or do you think there's a little delay?
I think it's going to be great.
All
Go
right.
for it. Well, that was anticlimactic. Okay. It's getting better. I think if you're driving, it's going to work pretty decent. Oh my goodness. So, upon doing that, it does not seem like we're going to be able to pull it from inside the car, though. Like, we're going to have to get out. And that puts out some smoke. Your garage is filled with smoke.
Kind of cool, though.
It is. It's going to be fun. Oh, yeah. So this is what you get when the Tesla rolls coal. I think it's okay, though. Yeah. Yeah, it's all right. Do you have any way to play diesel truck sounds while you're going? All right, buddy. You ready to roll some coal on some unsuspecting, Priuses, Teslas and stuff, man?
Dude, I'm ready.
All right, let's make her happen. 1, 2, 3. All right, no smoke yet. Dude, the one where you took off, it looked like, it looked legitimately, I don't know what it's going to look like on video, but to me out here, it looked like it was rolling.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely.
Off again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, dude, I just came up with the best idea I think I've ever had.
Okay. Really?
It has to be.
Okay.
I mean, like, you know, like proposing to my wife, that was cool and all, but I think this is slightly better.
You're going to have to edit that out.
No, I'm going to leave it in.
Okay.
She won't mind. She understands the need for rolling coal. Let's hood stack it. But let's just run to the parts store, grab a little bit bigger tip than this one because I don't think this one's going to work great. And let's just crudely duct tape it to the hood. And maybe we can just go to like Walmart or something and see if we get any reactions.
Okay.
You down?
Yeah, I mean, how am I going to say no to that? Sorry, I had to just run back in and grab my wallet because I figure I probably need that on hand for when the cops, you know, like, inevitably arrest us.
You think there's something about, like, fireworks from a moving vehicle?
Yeah, I think that's the one.
That might be some statutes.
Yeah, if there's not,
there's a statute.
There will be.
There's a statute of limitations on this. I feel like I was just here the other day. Oh, you know what it was? I was here getting a CV axle for the dirty.
You get that in?
I did.
When we go in here, I will give you $10 if you walk up straight faced and tell them, can you give me a filter number and how many quarts for a 2018 Tesla Model 3?
This guy might be all right.
Come here for a sec. Do you think this would be maybe the more environmentally conscious way to do it if we ran it
through a catalytic converter?
I'm just thinking, because if you ran it through that, then no emissions.
Just checking out with these.
Alrighty.
And if I can get a oil filter for a 2018 Tesla Model 3.
What year is it again?
2018 Tesla Model 3.
I'm going to see if we got it or not. Nope.
Oh, darn. Man.
Got a quick cut.
Might need to invest in some Goo Gone after this.
Probably.
I wouldn't leave this on for like 6 months.
No, I think it's going to come off today. Off center, right?
Yeah, and then we'll just wrap the bottom of this guy.
Right.
And probably turn it something like that.
I'm going to start with these kind.
Yeah, and then like we can do a circle around the outside and...
So you're okay with it poking out still?
Yeah, I don't think it has to be pretty. Oh, you really crumpled that guy up.
Wow.
It's pretty stout, dude.
I think it's going to hold. Which way?
I think right like that.
Oh,
I think,
sideways.
Yeah, I think have the...
Like that?
Yeah, I think so.
What are you guys doing?
An
experiment. An experiment.
Involves a Tesla and like 10 different black smoke bombs to make it look like it's a diesel rolling coal. There's our installed hood stack, looking pretty baller. People at Advance definitely enjoyed it here. It is crudely installed. We should have used red tape. That's one of the things we could have done, but I think once I'm, you know, shooting the camera beside, you're not really gonna notice. Here's our interior view, which is pretty hilarious. It's pretty secure out there, but there is like a, I don't know, what, 50-50 shot that this thing just comes up and just smacks the windshield.
I think it's super safe, actually.
Oh, let's do 100.
That's too much smoke. It's too much.
It's like we're going to jail.
People thought we were on fire.
I know. I think that's what she thought. She's like, somebody's car's on fire.
A Tesla. They're like, oh crap, it's a Tesla.
It's happening. I know. I think maybe.
Oh
I think
man.
we're gonna get in some trouble here. We did not think that these were going to be as smoky as what they are, and it seems like maybe it caused a little bit of scene in Sunday afternoon traffic.
Yeah.
So we're going to go somewhere else.
Yeah.
We tried the public thing. That was fun. That was a good time.
Yeah.
Don't want to go to jail. It's so quiet that it's just like a little bit anticlimactic.
Just add some sound to
I
it.
know, I'll do that. All right, well, you ready to head home?
I guess so.
Finish this thing up?
All right.
I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because this car smells like 4th of July. So the tip made it the whole way home at 85 miles an hour. Okay, we weren't going 85. We were doing like the speed limit. But we're going to launch another one because it just seems like something we should do. I haven't seen it from inside yet. It's so funny. The glass roof is great for this. Oh, that is hilarious. The smoke inside the car is real. Like, we got it. We are dying in here. Put the windows down. It really, the Tesla is not sealed up. This thing is not watertight.
No.
Well, we made it back home safe and sound. Tesla is doing great. She, and I think it enjoyed its, you know, little bit of like it had an internal combustion engine. Kind of for Halloween, it's like it dressed up as a diesel. Well, I gotta thank Lance for letting us, you know, have some fun here. I think we did okay. There was a few specks that kind of hit the hood there. I think it'll be, this is just dirt. I think that'll all clean up. Now, if this video does well, I'm willing to purchase some more of these and do a couple more videos. Probably not out like on the main drag of a highway. It's too much smoke. We thought it was gonna be a lot less. That was just gonna be like an essence of a diesel smoke, like, but it's
you
too
can't
much.
see.
No, nobody. So, don't recommend that. The smaller ones were better. The smaller, like the 90-second ones, those did a little bit better. The big ones, it's too much smoke. So, we may have to modify some of that, but maybe we could do like at a truck show, at a drive-through. I don't know, some other fun reaction videos. With that, guys, I think we're going to wrap it up here. Call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.